The manufacturing industry is currently facing a huge challenge finding operators who can work on the assembly line. To keep up with demand, there's actually a huge reliance right now on temporary workers, which may not actually hold the necessary skills, have the domain expertise, or even be committed to doing a good job.
Our Pathfinder platform uses artificial intelligence to guide operators through an assembly process, alerting them when they make mistakes. This helps operators maintain a high-quality output without feeling mentally drained.
Even with well-trained and motivated workers, mistakes still happen that leads to unnecessary scrap and rework cost. For example, an engine assembler may accidentally double torque a bolt while forgetting to torque another altogether, or a medical device worker may assemble products in a way that violates regulations. All of these events actually have major downstream impact on business.
Pathfinder guides operators in real time using computer displays, multimedia projectors, and light towers. It tracks and verifies individual steps of a complex assembly process using commodity cameras as well as IoT tools such as barcode scanners and torque wrenches. Line operators see the entire SOP on the left-hand side and the current detected step and suggested next step on the right-hand side of their display. Time elapsed since the beginning of a cycle appears at the bottom. A multimedia projector can optionally be used to project instructions directly onto the work surface to guide operators with animations, arrows, and text. This allows a new worker to become productive within minutes of arriving at the station. Automatic tracking of assembly means that the experienced operators can work naturally without needing to slow down for the system. All of this can be set up in a matter of hours using Pathfinder's easy-to-use, no-code environment. When the operator makes a mistake, the system issues an alert right there and then. Here you see our light tower integration, which helps grab workers' attention on a noisy floor. Mistakes appear in the yellow panel near the top of the display. The operator notices his mistake and fixes it immediately, with the system signing off on the fixes one by one. Pathfinder also provides rich prescriptive analytics to industrial and quality engineers to help them continuously improve their processes. These analytics include step-level and cycle-level timing metrics, non-value-added time, as well as benchmarks versus expected performance across shifts. Pathfinder also provides video traceability for every individual cycle observed in the line, with each cycle video automatically tagged with a product serial number and step-level labels. The platform provides a social layer on top of all the data it collects, allowing engineers and managers to collaborate to rapidly solve problems. At the same time, Pathfinder makes it incredibly easy to conduct ergonomic studies right on the factory floor to ensure the operators are protected from safety risks.
Using worker empowerment technology like Pathfinder is a great way to demonstrate that a manufacturer truly values its employees. It sends a clear message that the company prioritizes investing in supportive structures for workers instead of just replacing them with technology, which in most manufacturing environments isn't even possible. This approach can make the job more attractive and set your organization apart from others in a fiercely competitive market.
Reach out to learn how several manufacturers in your vertical are utilizing Pathfinder to boost quality, productivity, and safety.